One of the first things that we wanted to solve for restaurants when building Otto was how can we make sure that upselling is really great and consistent with every single call. We think we've nailed it already out of the box with Otto, and it does a great job of upselling on every single order. But some restaurants want to steer that in a particular way and configure how the upselling actually works with their menu. So now we've introduced the ability to configure upselling. So if we go into configure our agent in the knowledge tab, we now have a section for upselling. And in here, you can give Otto some specific instructions and you tell Otto how you want to upsell in the same way that you would tell a staff member, right? We do it in plain English. So I've just added in some example instructions so that you can see how it works. So I've just said we prefer to upsell first garlic bread, second drinks, third dessert. But I've gone a step further and said when we're upselling drinks, we want to offer a can only if one pizza or pasta is ordered, and offer a 1.25 litre if the order has 2 or more items. Okay, so just something that a human would instinctively understand. We're going to type that in plain English, and we'll do it in the same way for a dessert, right? So if we upsell a dessert, only upsell a small dessert if it's 1 pizza on the order, but if it's more, we can upsell a 500ml ice cream tub. Okay, so now whenever Otto's speaking with a customer, it's going to take what it already knows about great upselling, and then it's going to add to that the specific instructions that you've given it for your menu. And now Otto can do an even better job at upselling in a consistent way that you want. And you can track how it's all going. If we go to home on our dashboard here, this is just some sample data, but if I go back to 30 days, you can see we have some upselling data here. And you can see that at the top of the dashboard, and we can scroll down and we can see the upselling performance over time. So you can keep a track on how Otto's upselling, and then you can go back to your instructions and further refine it to make sure that Otto's always upselling the specific items that you want.